These also you can solve it. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. So here it is 400 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. 6 5s are 30. 400 by 30 into 8. 13.33 into 8. 8 is 24, 26. 106.64. So answer is total 106. Please check it out by using Venn diagrams. I hope the logic is clear. You can check it out by using Venn diagram. Co-prime to 30. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. Divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 5. Take every value and do this. Check if the calculation is giving you 106 or 107, right? Then check it out accordingly if there is any calculation mistake. These n of 2, these n of 3, and it is n of 5. N of 5. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear to you. Total, it is this. How many numbers? Total 120 numbers are there. How many are divisible by 8? How many are divisible by 9? How many are divisible by 5? How many are not divisible by 8, 9 and 5? 8 is nothing but 15. 8 15s are 120. 9 13s are, it is 117. 9 14s are 126. 9 of 5. How many multiples of 5 are there till 120? 24. 8, 9 and 5. 8, 9 and 5. Is there any number which is divisible by 8, 9 and 5 till 120? Which is 360? No. 72. I got 1. 45. 45, how many will be there? 45 3s are 135. So total 2 will be there. How many which are divisible by 8 and 5? 40. 40 will be 3s are. 3 plus 1, it is 4. 4 is nothing but here I got 11. Total it is nothing but 13. These 3. These nothing but 10. Total it is nothing but 24. 5. These nothing but 19. So answer is nothing but 11 plus 1 plus 2 plus 10 plus 3 plus 19 plus x is nothing but 120. 11 plus 1, 12, 14, 24, 27, 46. 46. Previous first 46, which is nothing but 74. Right? We have done it by, I hope this is the best approach for this question. Venn diagram approach. Because previous method, most of the students, that is exactly 2 cube into 3 into 5. Now see here, they will do like this, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. That is what exactly I did it. But here when they are doing it, they are ignoring these powers. They are ignoring these powers. So wantedly I did this method 1 to tell you that method 1 is incorrect, because you are only doing for 2, 3 and 5. But the question is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. This method is incorrect. Don't do it. Write only for 2, 3 and 5. I hope it is clear. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many multiples of 8, multiples of 9 and multiples of 5? Idea clear? Next one. LCM. Now there are few models which are missing that we will discuss right now. Till here I hope it is clear, right sir? How many numbers are co-prime? These first question, second question, third question. Sum of all the numbers, finding out the numbers which are co-prime. These already we have seen it. Product of two co-primes, 2 power p minus 1. Sum of two co-primes, write phi of n by 2. Any doubt please? Quotient function always gives an even value. These are some of the important concepts. Kindly reply in the live chat in case if it is clear to you. Till now, any doubts are there? Kindly ask, sir. I will take up your doubts. Kindly ask. Mention your doubts. Mention your doubts. Any doubts are there? Any doubts are there? Now, see here, method 1. Then I will do method 2. Method 1. Find the series of numbers. There is a number when you divide by 6. Remainder is 5. N is nothing but 6a plus 5. 6a plus 5. There is a number when you divide by 9. Remainder is 5. N is nothing but 9b plus 5. 9b plus 5. Then there is another number which is divided by 15, which will give remainder 5. So n is nothing but 15c plus 5. Now if you observe, these is nothing but n minus 5 is nothing but either 6a or 9b or 15c. The number is divisible by 6, divisible by 9, divisible by 15. What is the number that is divisible by 5, 6 and 9? It is nothing but LCM of 6, 9, 15 into its multiple. So answer form will be LCM of 6, 9, 15 into k plus 5. Into k plus 5. How will you do this? LCM of 6, 9 and 15. K. 15 should be a multiple of 6 and 9. No, it is not a multiple. 30, next multiple 30, it is not a multiple. 45, not a multiple. 90 is a multiple. Answer is 90k plus 5. Answer is 90k plus 5. 90k plus 5, right? No. Maheshwar Reddy, you got confused. Quotient will work by using Venn diagram concept. By using Venn diagram concept. Now you got confused. Here, if you see here, 1 minute, sir. What is a quotient function? Quotient function, what is the definition? Definition is number of numbers less than or equivalent to n and co-prime to n. So as long as it is less than or equivalent to n, quotient function is defined. Quotient function is defined to compute the number of numbers less than or equivalent to n and co-prime to n. Right? Now there is a predefined value. I hope it is clear. Predefined value. It is not less than or equivalent to n. So make some changes. Use Venn diagrams. If there is a predefined value, use Venn diagrams. Use Venn diagrams. Idea is clear? Next one. N is LCM of 6, 9, 15 into k plus 5. Listen to every question, sir. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 72, 90 and 120. Concept. LCM of any number, if one number is there which is a multiple of 9, answer is also a multiple of 9. If one number is a multiple of 9, LCM with that number, write LCM with any numbers with one number as a multiple of 9, answer LCM will be 9 into k. LCM of 9, 12, which is nothing but 36. This is 9. Answer 36 is also digital sum 9. Please write down, sir. Answer digital sum will be 9. If one number is a multiple of 9, LCM of 15 comma 18, which is 90. 18 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. If one number digital sum is 9 and you are finding LCM with one number as 9, answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 90 or 72. One number digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Option A and option D are out. I want the smallest number. Let me take the smallest number, 360. 360 is 72 into 5, 90 into 4, 120 into 3. All three cases possible. Answer is 360. You don't need to find out the LCM and everything. If one number digital sum is 9, LCM answer will also have digital sum 9. Option A and option D are eliminated. Because it is least number, 360 and 630, I took 360. I checked whether 360 is divisible by every other number. 360 is 72 into 5, 90 into 4, 120 into 3. Yes, answer is 360. Next one. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by, right? 24, 63 and 70. 24, 63 and 70. 63 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. First answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum is 9. 7 plus 7, 14, 5. Oh, 2550. 10 plus 2, 12. So we are struck with A and D. Now check for the prime numbers. 70. 70 is nothing but 7 into 10. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49, 32. Not possible. 7 threes are 21, 420. It is possible. Answer is nothing but 2520. You don't need to find the LCM. Just a little bit of smart work if you do. If you do that smart work, you will get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. Answer digital sum should be 9. 2550 is out. 2550 is out. I hope it is clear. Right. Next, third question. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by LCM of 35, 48 and 56. 35 is 7 into 5. 7 into 5. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Divisibility rule for 7 is, reminder 1, 10 power 3 divided by 7 is minus 1. Take a group of 3 digits and add it. Now, and alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. 680 minus 1, 679. 859. 379. 829. 829. 7 ones are 7, 12. 7 ones are 7, 15, 9. Not possible. 7 fives are 35, 29. Not possible. 7 12s are 84, 19. Not possible. 7 9s are 63, 97. Possible. You don't need to do anything. Just by looking at the question itself, you got the answer as 1680. I will try to find out that prime number which makes my calculation easy. 1680 is nothing but 1 into 10 cube plus 680. So if 1680 is divided by 7, this is nothing but 10 cube plus 680 divided by 7. 10 cube by 7 is minus 1. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively, add and subtract. 680 minus 1, 617, 9. 815, 9. 317, 9. 829. If more than one answer options are there, then I will go for it. 48. If more than one answer options which is there in my next few questions, idea is clear. Now see here. Now once you understand, I am sure you will be able to solve. It is nothing but the LCM of 36, 45, 63 and 80. 63 is 7 into 9. All the numbers digital sum is 9. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. 40 minus 5, 35. 50 minus 4, 46. 400 minus 5, 395. 500 minus 4, 496. 496. Which is divisible by 7? Please check. 7 not possible. 7 5s are 35, not possible. Not possible. Answer is 5040. Idea clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. If more than one answer option, 63, now don't use that concept of digital sum 9. All the numbers have got digital sum 9. The beautiful concepts. All the numbers have got digital sum 9. Idea clear? 36. Now in case if you want to check it out, 5040. 5040. 36 is 4 into 9. 4 means last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 9 anyway it is divisible. 45 is 5 into 9. 5 means unit digit is 0 or 5. 63 we have already checked. 7 into 9. 80. 80 is nothing but 5 into 16. 16 also it is possible. Don't waste your time. Just be little smart. Learn Anil Nayar's way of solving. That is where, right, you can save a lot of time. Find what is the largest number. We have already seen this. Find the least number into which 4760 and 37668 will each divide 4760, which is nothing but 4 into 4 11s are 44, which is 90. 4 into, right, these nothing but 7 into 170. Am I right? 4 into 7 into 17 into 10. So what you will use? 4 into 7 into 7 into 10. Now what is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus and minus. Option A will become 13 plus 492 minus 899. 492 plus 13, which is nothing but 505 minus 899 minus 394. 394. 7 5s are 35. 44. First one is not possible. Don't fear by looking at the question. 12 plus 492 minus 899, which is 504 minus 899, which is minus 395. I hope it is clear. 7 5s are 35, 45. Not possible. See, 13 plus 493 minus 899, which is 506 minus 899, which is 393. 7 5s are 35, 43. D, just check it out. 13 plus 992 minus 894. 13 plus 992. 13 plus, which is nothing but 98. How much it is? 12 minus 4, 8, 8, 19, 98. check number, which number, if any calculation mistakes are there, please try to do it. Answer should be divisible by, I hope the idea is clear, right? Answer should be divisible by, anyway 93 is out, it should be divisible by 4, last 2 digits should be divisible. I hope it is clear, right? So check whether, right, which answer is satisfying these calculations. Please take care. If no options, calculations, please take care, check with the each of the number. I hope the idea is clear. Find the least number which can be divided exactly by all the numbers up to 13 inclusively. All the numbers up to 13, LCM of which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. What is the highest power of 2 till 13? 2 cube. Highest power of 3, 3 square. Highest power of 5, 5 power 1. Highest power of 7, 7 power 1. 11 power 1, 13 power 1. 7, 11, 13, there is a rule. 7, 11, 13. What is the rule? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. From right hand side. From right hand side. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. If I do alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. 360 minus 360. It is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 8. It is divisible. 5. It is divisible. A seems to be the answer. Let us check with the other. 360 minus 306. 54. Not divisible by 7, 11, 13. 54. Not divisible. 363 minus 60, which is nothing but 303. Am I right? 303. 303 is not divisible. Just by looking at a question, you got the answer as 360, 360. I hope you are enjoying this wonderful way of solving the question without even finding the LCM. Highest power of given prime basis. So, take, what is the divisibility rule of 7, 11, 13? Take a group of 3 digits from right hand side. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. Find the least number that can be divided exactly by all the odd numbers. LCM of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now see here. One number digital sum is 9. Wherever digital sum is not 9, we will see. Not 9. These is nothing but 9, 9, 9. Again the beauty is 7, 11, 13. 7, 11, 13. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. B. 450 minus 45, which is 405. C. It is nothing but 0. D. It is nothing but 545 minus 40, which is 505. It should be divisible by 7. 7 5s are 35, 55, not possible. 7 7s are 49, not possible. Answer is 45045. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get it. If you want to check it out, please check it out. All the numbers it will satisfy. 15 anyway it will satisfy. 7, 11, 13 over. Digital sum 9 over. 5 over. 9, if it is divisible by 9, 3 over 1. Answer is clear. 4545 is the answer. Beauty of knowing the concepts will help you to solve very, very fast. Find the least number of 4 digits which is divisible by LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 10. 4, 6, 8 and 10. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. This is out. Answer should be 8 and 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. It is out. 1080 is there, 1008. 10 means it should be divisible by 5. Unit digit will be 0 or 5. Just a divisibility concept, sir. Answer is 1080. I hope the idea is clear. 6 is 2 into 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 1070 it is out. 8 is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 1050 is out. 10 is divisible by 5. Unit digit is 0 or 5. 8 out. Just by looking at it, you will get the answer. Find the 3-digit number. Such 3-digit numbers, they are exactly divisible by 3, 4, 5. Any number which is exactly divisible by 3, 4, 5 is LCM of 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are co-prime to each other. 3, 4, 5 are co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes is their product. LCM of co-prime is their product. 3, 4, 5, which is nothing but 60k. 3-digit number which we require, 60k, should be less than or equivalent to 1000, should be less than or equivalent to 100. Am I right? So it's a 3-digit number. So k value can be from 2. 62s are 120, 3, 4 and so on. 16 point. 6 16s are 96. 40, 166 point something. 2, 3, 4 till 166. Total 165 3-digit numbers are there. Total 165 3-digit numbers are there. 3-digit numbers, right? So k value should be 2 to 166, 996 something. 2 to 166. Higher value minus lower value plus 1. Higher value minus lower value plus 1. Next one. Idea clear? Next one. Find the least number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 12, 18, 21 and 28. 18 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. These 2 into 9. 21 is 3 into 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. A option 1008. D option 1080. Take a group of 3 digits plus minus plus minus. 8 minus 1 is 7. 80 minus 1 is 79. It is not possible. 1008. Please do not find LCM unless and until it is required. Unless and until it is required, do not find it. Find the least number of 5 digits when divided by LCM of 52, 56, 78 and 91 gives no reminder. I have to find it out. 52 is 13 into 4. 91 is 7 into 13. Here also 7 into 8. I will use the divisibility rule of 713. Of course, 8 is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. What is the logic? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. 920 minus 10. 910. 20 minus 19, which is 1. 820 minus 10, which is 810. Answer should be divisible by 7. 9, 10, it is divisible by 7. It is also divisible by 13. So answer is 10920. Answer is 10920. Idea clear, right? Next one. Find the smallest 3-digit number when divided by LCM of 3, 4, 5 into k plus 2 into k plus 2. 3, 4, 5 into k plus 2. This is method 1. Method 1 is 60k plus 2. Smallest 3-digit number. If I put k value 1, I will get largest 2-digit number. So answer is 122. Answer is 122. Method number 2. LCM of 3, 4, 5 into k plus 2. This is divisible by 4. When you divide the answer by 4, it should give a remainder 2. When you divide it by 4, it should give a remainder 2. It is perfectly divisible. When you divide it by, right, so we are left with, when you divide it by 5, it should give a remainder 2. 8 when divided by 5, remainder 3. Answer is 122. Use answer options to solve. Use answer options to solve. Use answer options to solve. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer if your basics are very clear. When a number is divided by LCM of 4, 8, 10, it gives a remainder 3. This is divided by 4. It gives a remainder 3. First one divided by 4. It should give remainder 3. Second one divided by 4. Fourth one, it is divided by 4. Answer is 1043. 2 seconds problem it is. Answer is 1043. LCM of 15, 18 and 27 into k plus 5, which is 270k plus 5. Find the number of 6 digits. Number of 6 digits. So 270k plus 5 less than or equivalent to 1 followed by 5 zeros less than or equivalent to 1 followed by less than or equivalent to 6 nines. Are you all with me? Number of 6 digits. These is nothing but, these is 1 followed by 5 zeros, right? 5 nines. Okay. I hope it is clear, right? Number of 6 digits. 1 followed by, 1 minute, sir. Till here it is clear, right? 6 digits we require. What is the highest 6 digit number? Which is 6 nines. What is the lowest 6 digit number? Less than or equivalent to 270k plus 5 less than or equivalent to. So if I take, it will become 4 nines 5 less than or equivalent to. I hope it is clear. 270k less than or equivalent to 5 nines 4. Find out the number of k values. Counting problem. Counting problem. I hope the idea is clear. Counting problem. Number of 6 digits. Number of 6 digits. K value, whatever that you get it, that itself is the answer. That itself is the answer. I hope it is clear, right? Number of 6 digits. If I want number of 3 digits, if I want number of 3 digits, it is nothing but 100 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 999. Number of 4 digits I want 1000 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4 nines. That is what the logic I used it. I hope the logic is clear. Find the LCM when divided by LCM of 12, 21 and 35 when divided gives a remainder 6, gives a remainder 6. Now if you see here, 35 is 7 into 5. Answer when divided by 7, it should give remainder 6. 7 6s are 42, 16, 7 2s are 14, 2, 7 7s are 49, 46, 7 6s are 42. These giving remainder 4. 7 4s are 28, 46. Yes, these B, C, D is giving a remainder. Now see here. 12 is nothing but 3 into 4. D is divisible by 3, D is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. 536, 14 not divisible by 3. 326 not divisible by 3. Answer is 426. Answer is 426. Idea clear? First I will check with the 7. If it is giving me more options, I will go to the some other number. I will go to the some other number. Answer is 426. In fact, LCM for these numbers is 420k plus 6. K value 1. Answer is 426. Next one. Find the number which when divided by 18, 24, 30. I think some number is missing there. 18, 24, 30. I will just give you an idea, sir. 18, 24, 30. Which number we don't know. Let me take it as 25. 25. In which case it gives a remainder 1. So what will be the case? 18 is 9. Answer should be of the form 9a plus 1. Or 25 is answer should be of the form 5b plus 1. 5b plus 1. These 9. These 8. 2521. 2523. These 3. 2521. 2521. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. What is the lowest number which when divided by 27, 42, 63, 80, it gives a remainder 21. It gives a remainder 21. 63, it is digital sum is 9. 9. 21, digital sum is 3. Answer 9 plus 3, 12. Answer digital sum should be 3. 14 plus 8, 22, 4. 14 which is 5. 7 plus 6, 14, 777. I hope the idea is clear. Find the smallest 4-digit number which when divided by LCM of 3, 4, 6 into k, it gives a remainder 2. 3 is a factor of 6, 4 and 6 which is nothing but 12k plus 2. Smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Which is nothing but 1000. 12k plus 2 should be just greater than or equivalent to 1000. 12k is greater than or equivalent to 998. K is greater than or equivalent to 12 8s are 96, 28. 12 2s are, right? 12 8s are 96, 38, right? 12 8s are 96, 38, 83 point something. K minimum is 84. Otherwise, we will get the largest 3-digit number. So, these is nothing but 12 into 84 plus 2. These is nothing but 144 into 7 plus 2. 7 4s are 28. 1008 plus 2. 1010. 1010. I hope the idea is clear. Or check by the answer option. If it is 1010 or if it is 1020 or it is 1013 or it is 1016. If it is like this, 12k plus 2, these is divisible by 4, it gives a remainder 2. It gives a remainder 2. If answer options are there, these are all very easy approaches. Next one. There is a number which is divided by 6, 9 and 15 Positive reminders are 3, 6 and 12. Positive reminders are not same. Negative reminder 3 minus 6, 6 minus 9, 12 minus 15. It is nothing but LCM of 6 comma 9 comma 15 into k minus 3. This LCM is 90k, 90k minus 3. Find the series of numbers. So if it is k is 1, 87. Next is plus 90, 177 and so on. This is the series of numbers. Till here, is everything clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? 90k minus 3. Put k1, 2. Only series of numbers he is asking. Find the largest 4-digit number. N number. It is 3, 4, 6. Positive reminders are 1, 2 and 4. Negative reminders will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Negative reminders are same. LCM of 3, 4, 6 into k minus 2. It is nothing but 12k minus 2. 12k. Find the largest 4-digit number. So 12k minus 2 is just greater than or equivalent to 1000. 12k is greater than or equivalent to 1002. K is greater than or equivalent to 12 8s are 96, 42, 83 point something. K minimum is 84. Answer is 12 into 84 minus 2. 12 into 84 minus 2. Right, now another one. Find the series of numbers when divided by 7. When divided by 7, positive remainder is 2. When divided by 8, positive remainder is 4. Now see here. 2 and 4, what is the difference? 2. 7 and 8, what is the difference? 1. Right? Listen carefully to this statement. If the difference between the positive remainders is k times the difference between the divisors, then in the kth step I will get 2 and 4. Difference is 2. First step 2 minus 7 minus 5. 4 minus 8 minus 4. So please write down that statement. If the difference between the negative reminders, if the difference between the negative reminders is k times the difference between the divisors, in kth step negative remainder will be same. In kth step negative remainder will be same. 2 and 4 difference is 2. 2 is 2 times 1. So in the second step negative remainder will be same. Minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. These minus 12. So n is nothing but LCM of 7 comma 8 into k minus 12, which is 56k minus 12. Substitute k1, k2, k3 and so on. This is a very, very important point. Very, very important point. Idea clear, right? Now see, a number when it is divided by 7, 8 and 9, positive reminders are 2, 4 and 6. Difference is 2. There the difference is 1. Second step of negative remainder I will get. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Second step of negative remainder. Minus 12, minus 12, minus 12. So n is nothing but LCM of 7, 8, 9 into k minus 12. This is nothing but 504k minus 12. 504k minus 12. How many numbers when divided by 7, 11 and 13? 7, 11 and 13. 7, 11 and 13. It gives positive reminders. 2, 4 and 6. There is no correlation. First case is 7a plus 2. Second case is 11b plus 4. 7a equivalent to 11b plus 2. 7a equivalent to 7b plus 4b plus 2. Divisible by 7, divisible by 7. 4b plus 2 should be divisible by 7. 4b plus 2 is an even number, so it is 14. B minimum is nothing but 3. B minimum is nothing but 3. If B is 3, 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 4, 37. 37. So the form of this number is, lowest number is 37 and it is divisible by 7 and 11 into k, which is 77k plus 37. Equate with the third one. 77k plus 37 is 13c plus 6. 13c is nothing but 77k plus 31. 13c is 78k plus 26 plus 5 minus k. Divisible by 13, divisible by 13, divisible by 13. K minimum value is nothing but 5. K 5 means 77 into 5 plus 37. 385 plus 37, which is nothing but 423. Answer is nothing but 423 plus LCM of 7, 11, 13 into k. Please write down 423. Just somewhere did we do any calculation mistake? When divided by 7, it should get a remainder 2, sir. Let me check one by one. One by one. These 7a plus 2 equivalent to 11b plus 4. These is clear. 7a equivalent to 11b plus 2, 7b, 4b plus 2 is 14, b is 3. Till here it is clear. That means calculation mistake could be in the next step. 77k plus 37 is 13c plus 6. 13c is 77k plus 31. 13c is 78k minus k, 26 plus 5. Divisible by 13. Divisible by 13, divisible by 13. K minimum value is 5. K minimum value is 5. So what will be the answer? So here it will be 77 5s are 35, 385. It is nothing but 422. 422. Small last calculation. 422. 422. Check it out. 422 divided by 7. Remainder 2. 11. It is again 4. 13, 39, 32, 6. Answer is 422 plus 7, 11, 13. 7, 11, 13. I hope it is clear. From 1 to 1009, substitute the values. If the positive reminders difference is not same, in some steps if the negative remainder, if it is not same, then how to do? You can do with the first two, get the answer and do it with the third one. Or you can do first and third also. I hope the idea is clear.